What's up, guys? It's Howard here with Ice Snag. I came back to a spot I came to 2 weeks ago and killed it. It's a spot I had fished once before, several years ago, man, 3, 4, maybe even 5 years ago. I came back. I just knew that the conditions in this section of the river were going to be different because of, water temp, spring fed, etc. And it was like, cooler, cold, January day. Today's perfect. Today is low pressure as heck. I mean, the clouds are on the ground, 95% humidity. The high's almost 70. So I came back. The fish bed here early. Hopefully I can get into some big ones. But hopefully we can get into a mess of good quality fish. I brought some different lures this time to attack this area different. Just because I've already fished it, so recently. So let's see if we can get on. Come on, stay tuned. Okay. Holy cow, guys. That's like a 6. Hey, nothing like a rapid to get the blood flowing. First cast with a goddamn chatterbait. Like I should have been. Whew. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I gotta buy another one. Oh, dude, that was freaking 3 bites. How freaking cool was that? Holy crap. Oh my god, that dude was just after it 3 times. Okay, I'm throwing the right bait. It's just a matter of getting it in front of him. What a bite, dude. What a bite. What a bite. What a bite, dude. What a bite. Fucking. Got it. Sick. What a sick eat. Isn't the biggest bass, but it's such a nice eat. So cool. What a fat little chunk. Nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. The leeches are back. Oh, let's go. What a cast. I am not a fish. Oh, sick. It just looked like a jiggy. Nice. Nah, I caught that one. Okay. I'll take a jig. A jig bite? Number 3? Not big, but right where he should be. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, got him. Got him. Yo, nice bite. Chunky fish. Okay. Okay. I'll take a chunky bite like that. Damn, he's in there good. Damn, what I need. Gonna need. So sick. Exactly where you should be. You got any buddies with you? No buddies? Right where you should be. Leeches. That's the theme of today. Leeches. Dude, you could not ask for a better day than today. We got like 4 big blow ups, one on the mat lures, one on the frog, and it's only like 9:30, so I think this dense fog is supposed to be here till like midday, so let's get bit. God, got him, got him, got him, got him. Oh, sicky. Such a sicky. Ha! Smoke it. Nice. Right where they should be, which is always fun. A bunch of solid like 2s and 3s. That guy's solid. He's a solid fish. That's a nice bite. Right there off of that. Moving bait. That's a good. Man, I'll take it, dude. It's not fucking huge, but hey. It's a fish that's eating in this cold. killed. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Stay down. Oh. 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 Oh! Let's go! Holy shit! Okay, tank! Yes! Let's go! Okay, holy cow, guys, that's like a 6. Holy cow, let me get her in the water. Holy oh. Holy oh my god. Okay, zeros. Okay. Oh. 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 Dude. God. 6:30. 6:30. Oh, what a fish. What a freaking fish. 21 and like a quarter, 6.3 pounds. Ooh, what a way to start off 2025. Okay, I'll see ya. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. It was like 12 minutes of straight fish catching, finished off with a kicker, 6-pounder. Now the crazy thing about that video is from January of 2025. It's January 30th, 2026 today. So guys, that means I've got a year worth of content, and last year was a good year. I got out a bit more than before, maybe once or twice a month. I filmed almost every time. We got flooding for the first time in, 7, 8, 9 years. I fished some rivers that otherwise didn't have water. It's going to be a good year. I plan on posting at least once every 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not just saying that this year, I'm really going to do it. So if you enjoyed that video, be ready, because more are coming down the pipeline. Make sure you follow on all social media. And then, of course, hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.